Good afternoon. So, first we will see the introduction of RTC. So, DS1307 serial real time clock. RTC is serial real time clock. It is a low power, full binary coded decimal clock or calendar plus 56 byte of NVS RAM address and data are transferred serially through an I2C, that is bidirectional bus. So the clock or the calendar provide a second, minute, hour, day, date, month and year information. And the end of the month date is automatically adjusted for the month with fewer than 31, including the correction for leap year. Now the DS1307 has a built-in power sense circuit which detects a power failure and automatically switches to the backup supply. Now we will see the features of this RTC. So real-time clock counts a second, minute, hour, date of month, everything. The year with the leap year also. Then it has a 56 byte battery backed general purpose RAM with unlimited writes. Then it also has a programmable square wave output signal. Also a simple serial port interface to most microcontroller I2C. I2C serial interface. Low power operation extends a battery back runtime. It consumes less than 500 nanoampere in the battery backup mode with oscillator frequency. So these are the features. Now here is the DS1307 pin diagram. It is a 8 pin IC. So the VCC and ground pins which provide a power to the chip. When 5 volt is applied within the normal limits, the device is fully accessible and the device is fully accessible and data can be written and read. So when 3-volt battery is connected to the device, the VCC is below 1.25, read and write the date. So the timekeeping function continues unaffected by the lower input voltage. Then the X1 and X2 pins, these connect to the external oscillator and provide the clock. It is a lithium battery which can be connected to this pin in order to provide a power source. So battery voltage must be between 2 volt to 3.5 volt. Then SCL, this is connected to the SCL pin of the I2C bus master. SDA, it is I2C bus master. SQWR out, which when enabled, the SQWE bit set to 1 and output one of the 4 square wave frequencies. Then the connection circuit is shown here. This image shows a typical connection diagram with a RTC. So all the registers of DS1307 store the value as a BCD, binary coded decimal. That is, if clock is at 49, then register 0x00 will show 0x49 as binary coded decimal value of 49. So this makes it easy for a programmer to read and display the number on LCD or serial terminal. If we want to use the register value of RTC, then first convert the value from BCD to decimal and then use it. Then RTC keep the date and time arranged in the memory. It is shown in this diagram. It keeps the date and time arranged in its memory. Register 0x07 is a control register for square wave output pin. So RS0 and 1 bits select the output frequency as per the table. Output frequency combination of RS1 and RS0 is given here, and according to that the output frequency is given. Now the next is RTC interfacing with 8051. So DS1307 uses I2C protocol and acts as a slave device, and I2C master can read or write the register of the RTC. So to communicate with the slave device, the master needs the slave address of the device connected to the bus. So the components required are given here and the circuit diagram is shown. Now SDA P2.0, the different pins are given here. So here is the program for RT interfacing. So this diagram shows the hardware setup. So here RTC is connected into 8051. Then detail of the time and date are given. The keypad is used to set the time and date and alarm. Then LCD is used to display the time and date. So this is a short video for digital alarm clock using 8051. That is digital alarm clock. So alarm is set. Okay.